What's up, yeah? Back with another video. I'm doing a walk with me vlog. Walking to the store. Look, this the back of my yard, and this is how I gotta walk all the way up there where the car just went. So I ain't bring my selfie stick because walking to the store. It's been raining. You wanna give me some couple of things from the stuff. But anyway, I just wanted to get on here to chit chat basically. I want to personally, I don't like when it's raining. Personally thank everybody who subscribed to my channel. And thank you for 106 subscribers. And I appreciate that. From the bottom of my heart, I do. So, this is a rainy, vloggy day. So, y'all go walk with me while I go to the store. So, this is my little exercise, get in. And, I just want, it's sprinkling now. I'm Saudi. Hope I don't get rained on. Last night, oh my God, that rain was something else. I was like, but let me know in the comments below if y'all like me doing reaction videos more, or do y'all want to see more cooking shows. Make sure I ain't move my cord. So, this is how the weather. I'm out of breath because I'm walking. Sorry, y'all. This is how the weather is in Cincinnati, Ohio, where I live at. And I ain't even close to the store, y'all. Look, this how far I gotta go. Still got a long walk. Oh my God. Past some trees. People looking at me while I'm vlogging. But apparently, I don't care. Because I'm vlogging for y'all. And plus, I'm getting my exercise in for the day. Doctor told me I need to start walking more. I do need to start walking more, but maybe it helped my gout. Cause my gout been hurting for a couple days. Sorry I ain't looking at the camera. I'm trying to pay attention on the sidewalk. Child, when I tell you I'm motherfucking tired, I'm tired. But I needed to walk. I'm trying to lose this weight and feel great. And